Hi guys, it's me Susu. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this unit that I got from Wiggins. This is their 30-inch loose deep wave wig, 13x6 HD lace wig. I did do a quick install for you guys. Well, some people might not see it as quick, but it was quick for me. You guys already know my install process, but if you're new here, I love to do the ball cap method. So right now I am just using a darker foundation color on my wig cap, and the color is 450 by Revlon. And right now I am gonna cut the ear tabs or the ear portion of my wig cap. So now I'm gonna apply my wig. Now I did pluck this wig off camera, and y'all, I think I plucked a little bit too much, but it was fine because the wig cap being 13x6 kind of gave me a lot of space to play with. So right now I am applying my glue to my hairline. I'm gonna link the glue that I use in the description down below. It is from Bold Hold Active. So right now I am just laying the glue. I did about 2 layers of glue, and then I applied my wig, and y'all can see the little bald spot that I had. Child, it was a mess. I was like, why did I just over pluck like this? But that's why it's good to just apply your wig and pluck after. But honestly, I fixed it. So now I'm just gonna cut that area, cut the middle part of the lace, and then I'm gonna start applying my wig on the center tabs. Move in sections whenever you're applying your wig. I think that that's the trick to having your wig actually lay down and last a long time. So now that I've glued down my wig, I'm gonna part it, and y'all can see like my wig cap a little bit because I didn't pull the back. I don't know how to explain it, but basically it's my fault. The wig does not look like that. It's my wig cap that is reflecting, but I fixed it in the end of the video. You guys will see. So right now I am sectioning my baby hair. That's like very important, like section out your baby hair, and then I spritz my hair with hairspray, and then I just kind of tied it down so it could like lay in place. As you guys can see, I had to adjust my front wig again, and then I blow dried it so it could actually just lock in place. And then once I'm done with that, I did like tie it down with a scarf so it could set. after curling my hair, I'm gonna use my ORS edge jelly to lay down my baby hair, and then I used a little bit of mousse to kind of keep it in place. Once I've tied up my scarf, I am gonna use water to just spray my hair. I did not put any product in this hair at all. I try to stay away from putting product on my curly unit just because water just does the job. So as you guys can see, I'm just kind of drenching it. And yeah, this is how the hair turned out to look. This unit is beautiful. I was honestly shook at how gorgeous this unit looked. It is perfect for vacation, and as you guys can see, I did fix the part. I used my concealer to fix the part, and that's what made the part look better. You can see the tab a little. For me personally, I can see it. I'm just a perfectionist, so I'll probably take this wig down and reapply it, but nonetheless, this wig is super bomb. 30-inch of pure greatness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the descriptions if you guys need the info on this wig, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye boo.